Good morning. I am Juvalana Joji from class 7Q. Yoga is an art and science for healthy living. The Sanskrit word yoga means to join. Yoga focuses on joining body, mind, and soul. One session of yoga should include three things: asanas, pranayamas, and meditation. The asanas are standing, sitting, and laying positions. Before starting the yogasanas, it's important to practice Sadilaja, loosening techniques. It involves gentle yet active stretches of muscles and joints. You can start from the toes to head. Rotate your ankle joint by lifting the leg up towards both sides. The same to repeat on your other leg. Now rotate your knee joint together towards both sides. In the same way, rotate your hip joints. Just have normal breath patterns. Touch your shoulders with your both hands and then rotate the elbow first clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Neck and head movements are very important. Rotate your neck and let your ear touch the shoulder while rotating. Rotate on the opposite side. Now the head upwards and downwards. Then left and right. As mandible is the only moving bone on your head, rotate your lips and mouth in a circle motion. A wide look around with the eyes without moving the face is eye rotation. Touch around your ears with your fingertips. Now I will explain 5 asanas: Tadasana, Vrikshasana, Trigonasana, Janu Shirshasana and Chakrasana. Tadasana. Stand on your feet and interlock the fingers. Inhale, raise the arms up and bring them in line. Raise the heels off the floor and balance on the toes. Release the interlock of the fingers and bring the arms down and come back to standing posture. It helps in the correction of posture and improves balance. It helps in increasing the flexibility of your ankles, thighs, and joints. Increases height, tones pelvic muscles. Vrikshasana. Stand on your feet. Focus on a point in front. Exhale, bend the right leg and place the foot on the inside of the left thigh. Inhale and extend the arms up and join the palms. Exhale and bring the arms and right foot down. Relax and repeat by bending the left leg. Benefits of Vrikshasana: improves balance and stability in legs, strengthens the ligament and the tendons of the feet, tones the entire standing leg up to the buttocks, assists the body in establishing pelvic stability, strengthens bones of hips and legs due to weight bearing the nature of the pose. Trigonasana. Stand with your feet comfortably apart. Slowly raise both the arms sideways until they are horizontal. Exhale. Slowly bend to the left side and place the left hand just behind the left foot. The right arm is straight up in line with the left arm. Turn your head and gaze at the tip of the right middle finger. As you inhale slowly, come up. Repeat for the right side. Benefits of Trigonasana: gives strength to your legs, feet, and ankles. Stretches hips, groins, hamstrings, calves, and spine. Open chest and shoulders. Strengthens back, neck, and abdominals. Stimulates abdominal organs, aiding in digestion. Janu Shirshasana. It is a sitting posture. Sit down and extend your legs forward. Bend your knee and place the feet at the side of the thigh. Bend forward, hold on to the feet and rest your head on the knee. Inhale and release the pose. Same to be repeated on the other side. Benefits of Janu Shirshasana. Calms the brain and helps relieve the mild depression. Stretches spine, shoulders, hamstrings, groins. Stimulates liver and kidneys. Improves digestion. Helps relieve symptoms of menopause. Relieves anxiety, fatigue, headache, menstrual discomfort. Strengthens back muscles. Chakrasana. Lie flat on your back on the floor. Your hands must be placed behind your shoulders, ensuring that your fingers are opened up and pointed towards your shoulders. Bend your knees closer to your buttocks. Make sure that your feet are hip width apart. Once you feel comfortable in this stance, balance your weight on your limbs, your head hanging gently. Make sure that you breathe comfortably. Take slow, deep breaths. Hold the pose for a minute. Benefits. Develops flexibility of the spine and increases one's sense of well-being. The extension of the front of the body stimulates the balance, all internal organs and the entire glandular system. This asana strengthens the muscle of the back, arms and legs, encourages good posture and is especially beneficial for people who sit a lot, helpful for menstrual problems. Lying down in Shavasana for a few minutes. Pranayama. It is a Sanskrit word that is composed from two words, prana meaning life force and yama meaning to control. It includes inhalation, exhalation, internal breath retention, external breath retention. It is important to add pranayama to yoga session. Shavasana is a meditation technique in Yogasana. While Shavasana requires less physical strength and flexibility, it challenges the mind and body in so many different ways. Shavasana helps in relieve mild depression, high blood pressure, headaches, fatigue and insomnia. Thank you for being with me for a wonderful session.